We're heading to the Beehive Cafe in Berkley Springs, West Virginia. All right, we're in town, but it doesn't look like much of a town here. Yeah, it looks like we're out in the woods somewhere. Yeah, very narrow streets. Oh my gosh. All right, we're almost to the restaurant, according to the map.
In 500 feet, turn left onto North Washington Street.
Off because
then your destination will be on the right.
Some kind of festival. Apple Butter Festival. It looks like it might be blocked off here too. Just gotta find a place to park for the restaurant, I think. All right, it's down here, I think. I just gotta find a place to park downtown here. This is a weird downtown. Yeah. There's just not a lot here. There's no main road that goes through it, it seems like.
Now turn right onto Congress Street.
All right, there is a main drag, and this is the main center of this festival.
Washington Street.
All right, Beehive is on the left. Do you see it?
No.
One of these is the Beehive. The Naked Olive.
No. Beehive, it's the brick one.
Okay, there's the Beehive. That's where we're going. It's got to find a place to park.
No parking.
There's people walking. Look, they're right there. And it gives me this camera here when I'm turning. I just turned down the street. It's this weird old concrete street. I'm trying to find a spot to park. Probably way down here. We'll eventually find something. All right, so we're gonna walk down a couple blocks to the restaurant. It looks like this Apple Butter Festival starts all the way down here. So I see the sign for Cool Font Resort. I've heard of that before. And the Sage Moon Herb Shop Vegetarian Cafe. We're not here for that. We're here for the other place. All right, this is why we're here, I think. Yeah. The Beehive Cafe. Apple butter ice cream. Oh. These might be the specials. Biscuits and gravy. Other stuff just for today, maybe.
I know. Are you ready for my So what they have is on here. What size is it? You want to know something? I thought about that too. I have another. Okay.
This is the broccoli cheese soup, and someone decided to pull it out. I don't know if this is our
Biscuits and that's barbecue.
That's the barbecue sauce.
Biscuits and gravy. It's a broccoli cheese soup. Alright, here's the soup. Yeah, this is like a meal.
So much barbecue sauce on here.
Just had some barbecue that was really good also. We got the pumpkin, what was that? Pumpkin cinnamon roll. Ice cream, apple butter ice cream. So there's the frappuccino, pumpkin something caramel frappuccino. Apple butter pumpkin frappuccino something.
How is it?
Not really sweet. It's decent. It's decent. Overall, good.
It is a lot like a Slurpee. I usually drink from the bottom and then I get an ice cap.
I think I can eat this with a fork. Alright, cinnamon pumpkin roll. This is finally open the apple butter ice cream.
It's really creamy.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really creamy.
Alright, so Denise's idea is this cinnamon roll with the apple butter ice cream.
Isn't it better with the ice cream?
Alright, since we're here for the apple butter festival and we got their apple butter specials, Denise is going to tell us what apple butter actually is, because I don't know.
Apple butter is a highly concentrated form of applesauce produced by long, slow cooking of apples with cider or water to the point where the sugar in the apples caramelizes, turning the apple butter a deep brown. It doesn't mean that you have butter in it.
Alright, what did you think? That was very unique and different, I thought.
Yeah, that was really good. Just happened to be here during Apple Cider Apple Butter Festival. Otherwise, I think the menu would have been boring.
Yeah.
I would have had, sausage tofu scrambler on a everything bagel, and you
Same old
You might have had
stuff that you have
nachos.
everywhere. Yeah.
Yeah.